Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of our series D2C. Today we are going to talk about how D2C companies are revolutionizing the vending machine industry. So without further delay, let's get started. An explosion of new direct-to-consumer companies is transforming how people shop, and the reason is simple. They read consumer behavior. D2C companies are observing how people shop, how they want to personalize their products, hence going retail is the only way to do it. More often, we are seeing a lot of direct-to-consumer brands are going directly to the organized retailers like 24/7, Modern Bazaar and The New Shop. D2C companies contact the vending machine operators directly without going through the distributors. That gives vending machine operators a chance to come in direct contact with the brands. Your customers expect a personalized and contextualized experience when they interact with your brand. Moreover, they want you to remember their choices and buying patterns when they interact. D2C brands interact with the customers directly and gather data to generate actionable insights. Hence, D2C brands keep a check on stabilizing customer acquisition cost and implementing initiatives like promotion through influencers and uploading fresh new creatives through social media. As per a study done by pymnts.com for packaged goods, it was shared that remarkable willingness towards D2C brands was observed despite challenging economic conditions, and customer bought products for their experience. So, you see how D2C brands are keeping their customers on priority when they are trying to sell more and more products. The upcoming future of the market and the consumers clearly indicates that D2C is going to hack the consumer market. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video and got to know more about how D2C brands are revolutionizing the vending machine industry as well as the retail industry. To know more about Vendify, visit www.vendify.in. That's it for the video, and see you in the next one.